Well, hello my friendly shoppers and welcome back to my channel. This is Gina and this is my shopping life, and we are back shopping at Walmart, and I went to check out some of the outdoor items. They have this whole little part in the parking lot where they have some outdoor flowers, and it is definitely, rain is back with us again. But these just look so pretty. We have a sun, a little like trying to come out, but I don't think it's going to last very long. The hyacinths, a lot of ground cover, but this is perfect. It's the first day of spring, so happy spring. And definitely getting our spring showers. But a lot of the mulch is out here and dirt. And you can just kind of bring your cart over and shop this little area. And there's a lot to choose from. I know we always we have mulch in our backyard, and we always or the ground cover, we always freshen it up every spring. Now this one looks like it's 47 cents, but I don't think that's the right price. Somebody would take that whole pallet if that was the real price. Then definitely some flowers. These are the hyacinths are so pretty. They just smell so nice. Let me see the prices of those. $5.88. That's not a bad price for those. Because there's several bulbs in those. And what I will do is I will let it totally dry out, and then I'll dry out the bulbs and then replant them next year. And of course you walk in, they always get you with the sweets. $7.97 for some cupcakes for Easter. Not too many. And it's a Monday morning, so I'm thinking maybe they got picked over from the weekend. Some brownie treats, cookies, the assorted cookies. And I think they're all the $6.47. So I think everything on this side will be $6.47. Sliced cinnamon brioche. That actually sounds really good for French toast. And then this lemon cake. Limoncello cake. And then I think this is leftover from St. Patrick's. The Guinness Stout cake. And then these over here about $11.94. Okay, and then I could smell something, and it was this rotisserie chicken. So it's a lemon pepper. Whoa, that sounds really good. And they're only $6.97, so they're ready to go. And they smell great. And right next to it is the bread. And fresh bread, ready to go. Nice, yes, really nice and soft. $1.47 for that. And they have a lot of Easter out. I'm going to cover more of the Easter a little later. I'm just going to show a couple of the treats over here. Check how large these Cadbury cream eggs are. That is quite the container. There's no price on that. But very interesting. And sometimes, like this part of the store, I could never get internet. So I usually will open up the app to check the price, but I couldn't even get that open. Check these eggs out. Now I do like those. You got like marshmallow pops for $1. So a lot of little treats. Now I do like York peppermint patties. $3.88 for the bunny. My daughter wouldn't like it, but I would definitely like it. Got cotton candy. There's a lot to choose from. Now I purchased some of that Just Bear chicken from Costco. I need some pepper jack cheese to make a really good sandwich. I did chicken parmesan sandwiches. And of course with spring, what comes to my mind is spring cleaning. And with all the weather we're having, I have to wait on the outdoors, but I always start on the inside. Here is that spray glass cleaner. You have the Mr. Clean. So I know everybody has their own way of cleaning. You could, make up your own solution. These silicone dish gloves are always nice. $6.84 it's a set of 2. And yeah, carpet cleaning with the wood. Now I do like the Murphy. I used to use Pledge a lot, but the Murphy, this one, I need some more of that. And I like it because I like the scent of it, but it's really easy, and it just always takes care of my wood furniture. The Pledge, I noticed I was getting a buildup of it. Now, this is, I don't use too much disinfectant spray. I do like this one. The Lysol, I don't like the smell of Lysol, but it's expensive, $7.27. And Borax, this is a cleaner that's been around for a long time. There's so many uses for that. $5.97. And of course, baking soda. I do use quite a bit of that, so I'm going to grab this big box. And that one, $2.92. And all your cleaning supplies, if you're, you know, redoing your mops. I like that they have some replacement parts. And if you need a new mop head, yeah, $9.48 for those. And I know everybody has their own way of mopping, whatever is easiest for you. Just getting it clean, and sometimes I do have a couple different mops, especially trying to get around the corners. Now this was really interesting. It's a shower cleaner. I've never seen this before. $6.98. They're always coming out with something new. It extends out for the shower. That's actually really nice. And then here's the replacement head. Now they didn't have a price for those. That was missing. And then of course the empty spray bottles to make your own solution. I do a lot of like vinegar and Dawn solution, and I put those together. That's where I use a lot of my cleaning. And the Scrub Mommies or the Scrub Daddies. These are always some of my favorites. Those are $3.78, but they last a long time. And I clean it like in a dishwasher. Now this was a new one. There's always coming out some new Scrub Daddy. Here's one with the handle. You got the little face at the bottom. And you can see, you know, how you can fill up your soap. And you just press back here, and this is kind of fun. And that one is $7.98. And now this was really interesting. Swift Scrub Bathroom Buildup Remover. Yeah, I live in an area where there's a lot of hard water. I don't know if this is a real price, $9.88, because it said powder on there. So I'm not sure if those two are really matching up. You have Mr. Clean, all sorts of different ones. And of course, don't forget your gloves. Wear the gloves when you're doing a lot of this cleaning. But there's a lot to choose from. Now, I was showing some discontinued items from Costco. That one is being discontinued, the Platinum. So I think Costco is going to be upgrading to the Platinum Plus. But you can see 62 of them are $22.94. Wow, that is expensive. So it'll be interesting to see what Costco gets, because that's usually where I get my Cascade. And here's some more spray bottles, $3.86. And it's a set of 2. Those are nice. I like the sizes of those. And yeah, there's my Dawn. I will mix that up. And then here's some other little scrubbers. And $2.94 for a nice little set. Now, this is one of my favorites, is the Dawn Power Wash. So many different things you could clean, from dishes to laundry to oil spots in the driveway. And even my tire rims. There's a lot here. Now, it is on sale at Sam's Club and Costco, but there's a lot to choose from here at Walmart. And I like this one. I actually did buy that. I just refill it with the large one I got, and it's worked out for so long. The dryer balls, these are always my favorite, $4.98. And these are always good to have on hand. The stainless steel scrubbers, $2.47. Your glass cleaner, now that's $4.28. And then if you use an Ajax Ultra, that's $2.74. And then bathroom cleaner with bleach, $1.48. I do use some of that on my sinks at times. And then here's another one for the toilet bowl with bleach, $1.92. So some reasonable prices here. And again, just empty spray bottles to make your own solution. You can add your own essential oils, however you want to make it. And if you're needing a new broom, I'm going to kind of go back here. $8.23 for a broom and a dustpan. Now, I just happened to walk by here, and these Easter baskets caught my eye. They're so pretty. Very simple, but I like this these kind. $8.98. My daughter has one that we have used for several years now, but these are just so pretty. And you don't even, you can use those as gift baskets too. You don't have to even use them for Easter. But it's a great price for those. It's a good size. And for, you know, if you're spring cleaning, organizing, $1.28 for these small little, they call like the shoe box totes. And then here are more of the Scrub Daddies, $4.68. Now this is a set of 4. One side is that Scrub Daddy, like the hard side, and then you have a soft side. And then, now one of these, like, I use that also on, like, scrubbing, like, around the car tires. And then here's another, it's called the Scour Daddy. I do have this, I like using those to clean my sinks with. And they haven't scratched up, $3.98 for those. And also double check your pillows. This is a Copper Loft. That sounds really interesting, by Serta Sleeper. $10.96 for that pillow. And then their Mainstays, one of the Walmart brands. Their pillows extra firm for side sleepers or just regular firm for back sleepers. Yeah, if you can't wash your pillow, it's always a good time to get a new one if you need to. I know not all pillows you can wash in the machine, but always double check your pillows, because that's where a lot of allergies come from. I know, at least for me. So I'm always kind of changing it up, washing it up. But $6.96, pretty good price, especially if you need some for the guest room. And $1.97 for these baskets. This is actually a really good deal. You could use those for so many different things. Toys, pet toys. And for that price, you could even make it pretty, add some ribbon to it. And I'm really liking these metal buckets. You could use these for beverages or organizing. But yeah, this is $8.94. And then the larger one was $9.98. Have a little square. I couldn't find the price for the square. There's somewhere a little shallow. And then this is $9.98. This little caddy. Now you could use this for cleaning supplies. You could use this for like picnics. I would definitely get an extra one if you're going to use one for cleaning and one for picnics. just so you don't have any kind of cross-contamination. But it's really nice. I do like the metal. And now here are some plastic bins. Different sizes. It was a pretty good price, $2.56. And I kind of like how the front is a little down, it's a little open. And there's so many things you can organize. And this time of year, I do like to just really just clean everything up. But I like all the different sizes. There's navy blue, a gray, and then almost a clear, like a frosted clear. And don't forget the blinds. Double check the blinds. Blinds, I know, are a pain to clean, and there's a lot of different remedies to clean them up, and sometimes you just have to replace them. I know I have a couple that just kind of broke on the side that I've got to replace. And then here are some of the blind cleaners. These are actually kind of nice to have, and I know everybody has their own way of doing it, and let me know any cleaning tips. Let us know in the comments below. Yeah, that microfiber blind cleaner. And $3.98, not too bad. And there's all sorts of different ones, like wood, the plastic, the metal ones. And if you can't find them in your store, definitely double check the Walmart.com. Check online too. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Walmart with me today. I hope you're having a great day so far. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.